To celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Bit Squad, we are going to be giving away $1,000 in Bitcoin for the months of March and April, along with 2 Nano Ledger S's. An extra $100 prize will be available for those who join the Telegram group. Like and comment on every video in March and April for the maximum number of entries. You must be a subscriber to win. Bit Squad, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a Ledger Nano S, and then guess what else I'm going to do? I'm going to give it away. And you may be saying, BitBoy, you can't give away a used Nano Ledger S. Once you break the seal, it's unusable. Not actually true. You can actually reset the device if you don't trust me. If you don't trust me, make sure you reset your device. But it's pretty easy to do. You can wipe it clean. You can look for information on the internet on how to do that. It's pretty easy. Basically, all you do is you type in your PIN number wrong a couple times and it wipes the device and things like that. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to give it away. So all you got to do to be eligible is make a comment down below and let me know why you think you deserve to win the Ledger, and I will pick the winner tomorrow on our news video and I will get that out to you. So you're going to get a free Ledger. Yes, that's right. We're giving away 2 Ledgers over the next 2 months as part of our bigger giveaway, and then I'm giving another one. Ledger reached out to me and they said, BitBoy, we are looking, the market's been tough. Bear market's been tough on everybody. We are actually looking for D-list crypto celebrities to review our product. So I said, oh, I know just the guy. That's me. Never miss an opportunity to show something or to give something away. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and getting me to that D-list crypto celebrity status, or else this would not be possible. They actually sent me a few other things also. They sent me this limited edition, which I'll probably break open down the road. And then they also sent me this, whoops, throwing everything, this Ledger on the go kit. It's got different plugins where you can plug it into a Mac or whatever, different kinds of things. But today we're going to be unboxing this Ledger Nano S. Probably do a tutorial review down the road, but this is just going to be unboxing. And guess what? I'm going to do a reaction video to me unboxing it. So let's get started. Let's see what I got to say here. All right, here we go. We're going to hit play. You know, people have told me I've got very soft hands. I call them keyboard hands. I don't do a lot of manual labor. Actually, you know, picking up this knife and cutting this might be the most manual labor I've done in quite a while. I try to stay away from it. Oh, there's the knife. Don't cut yourself. All right. Look at that. Look at that slit. What an incredible slit there. Look at that. All right, now let's go ahead and open that puppy up. All right, here we go. It's hard to show this thing on the screen, really. I kept trying to position it right. Look at that. Do you guys see that silicone wedding ring? That's right. No metal wedding ring for me. All right, so here is the Ledger. You can see it in the box. Now, this is the prize. This is what you're after. I'm going to point out a couple things you're going to need to know here. This is the Ledger. It's got 2 buttons on the side, which controls the screen. You got to plug it in and charge it, I believe, for the screen to come on. I didn't even press. You press both the buttons at one time to turn on. But that is your Ledger Nano S. Yeah, you've shown it enough times. Look, it looks like a pocket knife. All right, here we go. All right, let's get to the goodies. All right, we already broke the best thing. All right, this is going to be the instruction booklet here. The important part here you really want to focus on is your private keys. You're going to want to use these cards to put your private keys in when you turn the device on. It's going to show them here in just a second. Really good job opening that. Gosh, I'm so good at opening things. So, you know, it's got like a, did you notice? It's tamper-proof box, things like that, getting started. Got some instruction manuals. Nobody does that. Just look it up on YouTube. Everybody knows that. So here's your recovery sheets. You're going to write down your 24-word seed phrase right there. Gosh, could you be any blurrier with the camera? Great job. Oh, look at that. I must have listened to myself. So you're going to want to make sure that you write those down and do not take a picture. You never want a digital form of your keyword because, or of your private keys, because somebody could, you know, hack into your iCloud, hack into your printer, whatever it might be, your phone, and get that. So I don't know what this is. I'm not going to pretend to know what it is. I'm not going to pretend like I would ever actually use this thing, but it does clip apart, and I guess that's kind of cool. I don't really know what I guess you tie that around your Ledger, and if you want to wear it around your neck like a douchey, I guess you could. I don't know who would carry around their Ledger. That's like, you remember when you were 16 and you very first started driving and you used to carry your keys everywhere around? It was like you would hold them in your hand or strap them to your shorts or your pants or whatever, because that was the symbol, like, hey guys, I can drive now. Look, you see I have keys. That's what it's like. So here's a key ring. Maybe better off as a wedding ring, except I told you I only like silicone. And here's the cord. So this is what's going to plug your ledger. It's what's going to charge it. It's what's going to plug it into your computer. Here is it's what's going to sync up to your, Ledger Live and things like that, which we'll do another video on down the road. And there it is. There's everything. Now watch me awkwardly fumble with everything, trying to get it on the screen. Yeah, you didn't do a good job. You didn't, so he just left it. Oh, now he's trying to move it. Oh, there's a ledger again. There it is. Look, like we haven't seen it enough times. That was painful, guys. That was very painful. But if you want a ledger, I do have a link down below, because guess what? Affiliate link, making cash all day, turn it into Bitcoin. So support the channel. If you're gonna buy a ledger, or if you've been thinking about it and you want to do it, make sure to use the link down below. I have it at the top. That way you can, support the channel. Like I said, my kids do need to eat. They can't eat Bitcoins. There were some chocolate Bitcoins going around, but that's not going to get the job done. It's just going to make it where they can't sleep and they're going to get really hyper, and let's not do that. So everybody buy your ledger from the link down below. We're going to be doing some more ledger videos. Like I said, we are going to be doing a giveaway, so comment below why you want that ledger, and I'm going to pick a winner tomorrow. Like I said, Ledger did send me, the company sent me the Ledger Nano along with the 2 other boxes, which I'll be, highlighting at different times and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little outside the box for you when it comes to an unboxing video. That came to me at the spur of the moment. I said, I really need to give them a lot of time to cringe when I say that joke. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that joke made you cringe. And I hope that if you are going to buy a ledger that you do use a link. If you don't want to buy one and you want to try to win one, make sure to just comment anyways, because we are giving away 2 at the end of next month for our big contest we're doing right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. BitBoy out.